I think the main reason people are, I think maybe the main reason why Buddha also didn't teach it right from the beginning, and main reason why they don't teach about Buddha nature right from the beginning too much is, I think, in India was maybe because you might misunderstand it as ātman, because although it's nothing to do with ātman, but Buddhist teachings was very much based on impermanence and anattama, and Hindu teachings were very much based on Atma. So, if you say Buddha nature, and then if you get, if you didn't understand emptiness and all these things a little bit, then it could be possible that you take it as something like an Atma. I think main reason why it was not talked too much about could be that, and also because it was mainly taught in the third turning and then in Vajrayana, but Vajrayana you cannot do without. But of course, there are also different ways, different styles of, like in Gelug tradition, it's more, they don't too much emphasize on Buddha nature, they emphasize more on emptiness, even in Vajrayana.